I mean, it's everything. It's my entire identity as a woman. It's one thing to be a woman in this world, and it's another to be a Samoan woman. The irony of being a Samoan woman is that a Samoan man taught me um, what it meant to be a Samoan woman. I thought of our ancestors and how they would gather in the Fale Samoa, and they would talk amongst themselves and village council and the community on how we can, remediate issues that we're facing within our families. And that's through fasoa. And fasoa is to share, to share the load, to share the burden. It's all I know. I grew up seeing my parents, my family, extended family, tautua, and whether that was to your church, to your youth, mga Samoa. I don't know anything else other than tautua. To me, it's ultimate form of love. I've seen what it's like to live without culture and to live without purpose. I have also walked aimlessly without purpose, so I know what that feels like. It hasn't really been normal. I don't think life after serving through the platform in pageantry in either American Samoa or Samoa, your life ever really goes back to normal, but I've been feeling really at peace. I'm happy.